Hi, this is Rebecca Delosier, and this is a tutorial on just some basic iPad moving stuff around and maintenance. So the first thing you'll notice is that there's no real way while you're in an app, like let's say if I'm in Note Anytime, nowhere in here does it really show me how I can turn an app off. So this is how you actually turn apps off. You double click on your home button and you will get this tray down at the bottom. And basically, if you would like to turn an app off, you can just go ahead and long hold, and then you can click on them and it will go ahead and turn off anything that's there. And that's pretty useful. And to go back to the home screen, you just press the button once. So that's how you turn things off. Some other things that are useful is, let's say I've installed an app that I don't really want anymore. So let's say that I don't want Netflix. So in order to get rid of that, what you do is you press on that and you're going to long hold, and you will get a little X. So to delete the app, you just go ahead and click on it, and it says deleting it will also delete its data, and you just go ahead and delete, and then it's gone. Now this is the same way that you move apps around. So let's say that I wanted this calendar app that I've downloaded, which is actually the one that I use. I don't actually use the default calendar. Let's say that I wanted that on my main screen. So you can come and you can drag it over and hold it at the edge, and eventually it'll show up there. I actually find that to be really difficult. Again, you just hold it there. I find that the easiest way for me myself to move apps around is I just drag them down to the dock, go back to the screen that I wanted at, and then put it back. So like I don't want that calendar. I would like this calendar to be right up there, so I'm just going to drag it up there. This calendar I actually put in a folder called Mac Stuff that I don't really use. And that's also another interesting thing on how to use folders. So let's say that I have Facebook installed, but I don't want to use that at school, so I can go and put that into a different folder. So Facebook and Pinterest can go into a folder that's a social folder, and it will automatically make a folder. You can change the name if you want. And you can drag those folders around the same way. You can put those on your dock, so you can customize your dock. I have on my dock, by default, typically, I have Skyward. Skyward has an app. I don't recommend using it for anything other than attendance or entering one grade per class because it's a very basic app. But I like Skyward, a browser. This is my note-taking software that I use, Note Shelf, and then my mail, and then the camera. That way I can go ahead and take pictures of stuff when kids are doing interesting stuff in class. So that's how you move stuff around. Once you fill up all of these screens, it will go ahead and it'll add extra screens. It just keeps going for a while. If you forget where you've put something, you can go ahead and go back to search, and let's say I wanted to find Pinterest. It just goes ahead and it takes me to my Pinterest app. So that's it. And I hope that's helpful, and just play with it a little bit. Don't worry about it. If you delete something, you can always go to the Apple Store and re-download it. Even if it was a pay app, if you've paid for it, it's still there. Hope that helps.